So I was recently approached by Starbond and they asked if I'd like to try their products, and I said yes, obviously, because I've always been intrigued on these coloured CA glue or super glue. Should we have a little look? What they've done is they've sent me the thin, medium and the thick, and then they've sent the black, medium thick, the brown medium and the brown medium thick, and the Starbond Accelerator. So we all know what this does. Obviously it's an activator, it's an accelerator, it makes the glue go off really quickly, and this is also it dries clear, which is good. I've had some of these before, not Starbond, but some of the ones, the cheaper ones, you get like a horrible white crust over your glue, and I think that's because it's activating it really quickly. Anyway, we'll get back to that. Let's have a little look at what we get in the packaging. So we've got a instruction booklet, and it tells you step by step of how to apply the nozzles and that, but what we'll do is we'll just talk our way through. So you've got your, this is the brown medium thick. I'm going to be using this in a minute, and we'll see how it works. So the actual lid is quite a wide white lid there, look. So what you get in the pack is 2 applicator nozzles. So I'm going to put one straight on because I know what I'm like, I will make a mess. So you get 2 of those. You get the red clog free cap, which I'll show you what to do that in a minute. You also get a few of these where you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. You get 8 of these. These are the precision micro tips. So these on the instructions says perfect for hard to reach cracks and a mess free application. For me, these will be great for stabilizing wood that you can get right in there. I mean, use the thin one, and that will soak right in. We'll be using this one in a minute. So what we do is we take off that cap, and then we just nip. I mean, these are very thin anyway. So we'll nip the top off there, and we'll get our red clog free cap. In there's a little pin that you pop in there, and like, sorry, I haven't got my glasses on, and there you go. So that's a clog free cap put on there. You can actually just pop that back on there as well. I think it'll probably do the same, won't it? So this dries dark brown, easy flow formula, great for bonding close fitting parts, fills cracks in dark wood. So yeah, this is what we're going to be using in a minute. Right, so these pieces of beading are from a restoration project that I'm currently working on. These are parts of the original antique item, so I'm thinking I can use the brown medium thick and glue all these pieces back in. You are going to see that it's been glued, which isn't a problem. All these holes here that from the original fixings, I'll fill them in as well, and that's the beauty of having the activator as well, because I can fill it in, spray the activator from behind, and then just top it up from the front, and then we'll sand it down. And then this bit here that needs stabilizing, so it needs gluing back together and then filling in the back with possibly some thin You see that little crack there? We'll get some thin to penetrate into there. And again, that one there needs a fill at the back as well. Right, so that's done. I've managed to actually fill in quite some big holes with this stuff. This is the medium thick. As you can see there, that was quite a big gash down there. What I will do though is I'll sand all this back, but it's stabilised. It's going to be fine. I'm going to put it back. I use the medium thick, like I just said, the brown, and I use the thin to stabilise some of these areas that, for instance, there was a little split there. Look, that it managed to penetrate, which is really good. So I'm happy. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link to Starbond where you can buy Starbond. I'll also leave a discount code over here somewhere, so that when you buy Starbond you'll get a nice discount. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks to Starbond. I must say, really good. I'll continue to use it.